Yeah, there it is. So now we're copying everything that's in the source directory to the build workspace. This is all of GCC files, dude. Oh, there we go. And now we go into building. GCC go burr indeed, dude. What's up, Nightshade? Like I said, this should fail, but I want to see what it fails on. Also, there's a solid chance I need to like reboot my machine. You're actually oh wait, hold on. So we failed. Okay, so we failed. So it's saying configuration ARC Apple Darwin 23.5 not supported. Right. So this is where I'm like, is that because it's actually not but like, is it actually not supported? Or like, I'm wondering if I should push up all this code and then jump over on my Linux machine and try it. You know what's interesting? And this is something else that we haven't even talked about that we will have to talk about at some point. Vorpal will need to support system types, like architectures. For example, one of the things you could do with Vorpal is package everything on a Apple Darwin, you know, architecture, and then push it to a Linux architecture. So that is another thing to note here is like cross-system compiling. Normally the worker and the agent that you're working with should probably be on the same system. Otherwise, we need to figure out basically how that's going to work. Because by default, if it's all source code, it should be fine. But the packages that are run and like are basically supported on the workers need to be whatever architecture the workers are on. So yeah, so basically this is closer to what I needed. But yeah, I'm very interested. Actually, I'm interested in a couple things. Does this directory still exist? It does. I think all of this is purgeable. I don't know, but okay. So there's a couple of things I need to make a change to, but yeah, like we're doing pretty good, chat. We're doing pretty good. Again, you guys were able to see me build a bunch of other programs with it. Hang on one second. So again, so what can I show you? I'll just show you one more time. All right, I'm going to show you some stuff that is able to build pretty quickly. All right, so I'm going to trudge through it. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not going to get rid of I'm not going to get rid of all these. I'm going to get rid of GMP, MPC, MPR, MPFR. So let me get rid of all these lower level dependencies. So say if I was like, you know what? I want to build these from scratch. I just want to keep all of my GCC stuff. Right? I could delete all those directories, go back here, run Vorpal again. And there you go. You'll see that it notices that GMP is gone. So it's going to go out and download it, right? Get those files, compute the hash, and then store it. So here you go. This is us. Just like before, you see how it went from like 1 gig to 11 gigs, right? They get copied to the build directory, and then we're off to the races. Which version? Yeah, that's a good point. And it should be whatever the latest is in Rust, I guess. But yeah, there you go. So now we're seeing build logs from the server as if I was running it directly. Like, we have a build system, chat. We have a build system. Like it's actually working, chat. It's actually working. This isn't a you know, meme